Hello guys, this is task 3, which is exploratory data analysis on the given data set, which is sample superstore. Our job is to find the business insights, where our business is going in loss or profit, what are the key areas, what are the key products, most selling products, how the trend is going, and many other factors. Let's see one by one. As you can see here, the trend is increasing, the sales are increasing from 2014 to 2017. Let's see year by year. Yeah, as you see here, during the period of March, September, and November, December, the sales are high. As you know that this data is from the America, and during the fourth quarter there are festivals and holidays in their calendar events. So people are more tend to buy the things. So that might be the reason for the sales for high sales. And let's see. Yeah, these are the three main categories of what the products are. And you can see California has made great sales, and even New York City has made great sales. These this is the state wise, and this is analysis on the cities. And you can see New York City has made great sales. Yep. Coming to subcategories, phones, chairs, storage, and tables are the top four products which have been sold. Sold. Let's see profits. Yeah, as you can see here, tables was the fourth highest selling thing, but again, it's making a huge loss for us. As you can see, profit of minus 17K, which means we have been incurred 17K losses. Yeah, you can see here, this is the overall trend which was increasing. But if you go for particular product, if you see for tables, you can see there is a decline. Sales are high, but profits are low. Profits are going down and down. Again, that 2018 was the worst hit, and 2015. If you see overall, yeah, sorry, my bad. Yeah, if you see overall, 2017 was a great sale. We had a great sale. We had a great profits. Yeah, if you see again regional wise, Table has made a great profit in Washington DC and Virginia too. It doesn't mean that Table had made loss everywhere. Yes, but it had made. Again, you can see in the positive side, they are the states where it had made profits too. Yep. Seeing at discounts, these are the discounts trend. Yep, we have seen this earlier that the tables for tables the trend is decreasing. Yep. As we increase the profit, as we increase the discounts, we are running into the loss. So I suggest stop providing discounts for tables, so not to occur losses. As you can see here, at 0 discount, we have no losses. We have profits and profits. When you start providing discounts on tables, you can see again we are going into losses. So my suggestion is stop providing discounts on tables. Yeah, this is the overall sales what we have seen earlier. They were the three main categories, and these are the 4 years how the trend looks. As I said earlier, March, September, and November, December made great sales. As you can see, table is in fourth in the sales, but again, it has been a loss for us. Yep. Thank you.